Howdy y'all. Welcome back to the Washington State Black Powder Cowboy Action Shooting Championship match hosted by the Windy Plains Drifters here in Medical Lake, Washington. I hope you all enjoyed day one. If you missed it, be sure to watch it by either clicking the link on screen or at the end of this episode. We brought a bunch of folks onto the show for the first time, and we're trying to squeeze in everyone from a posse of 16 into a 12-stage match. So be sure to say howdy to all those folks down in the comment section. And while you're there, a big thank you to Miss Harley for coming along and filming with me on both days of shooting. That really allows me to focus on my game, which today needs a lot of focus to close that gap and hopefully pass Lightfoot. I had a rough day yesterday and I lost a lot of time to him. So today I'll be using all the same gear with the exception of swapping out my hammered double barrel for a hammerless one. Yeah, I'm gonna game it up a bit to get that time back. So stay tuned to the end of today's 6 stages and see how it all works out.
Stage 7, Bay 1, Day 2, Rifle 10, Pistol 10, Shotgun 4+. Line is, say when, hands on hat. Guns play safety, shooter's choice, order of weapons. Shooter must shoot from at least 2 positions. Shooting order, rifle, Nevada sweep, either direction, twice. So 2 Nevada sweeps. Pistol, same as rifle. Shotgun, engage until down.
They win.
Stand by.
1, 2. I had about 700 rounds.
Good run. 2176. I've got clean, and clean. 2176.
Say when.
Stand by.
Got him. 2601, clean.
Thank you.
Range is clear. 2601.
Nicely done.
Thank you.
I wonder if he's really that fast.
So,
Just showing off.
like I said, I got some time to make up, so we'll keep at it like that.
Stage 8, Bay 1, Day 2. 10 rifle, 10 pistol, 4+ shotgun. Hands on hat. Line, say when. Guns play safety, shooter's choice, order of guns. Shooter must shoot from at least 2 positions. Shooting order, R1, R2, R2, R3, R3, R1, R2, R2, R3, R3. Pistol, same as rifle, so it's a 1-2-2 sweep. 1-2-2. Either direction. Shotgun, 4 until down.
Why, Snuffy? You act as if somebody stepped on your grave.
Stand by.
Run out.
2790. I got clean, clean, and clean.
Two, 3, 1, 3.
Good run, Jed.
Thank you.
2, 3, clean. Range is clear.
Stage 9, Bay 2, Day 2. 10 rifle, 10 pistol, 4+ shotgun. Hands on hat, line, say when. Guns placed safely. Shooter's choice, order of guns. Shooter must shoot from at least 2 positions. I'm going to make this very simple. It's a 1-4, 1-4 sweep from either direction. Same with the pistol.
Yep.
1-4, 1-4 sweep, either direction.
Correct.
And then 4 shotgun. Knock them down.
Stand by.
Maybe.
Maybe. Down. 2662.
Okay, you gonna pull that smoke wagon or stand there and bleed?
Stand by. They're down. 2562. Range is clear.
All right, 2-5. It's all right.
Good run.
Thank you.
Stage 10. Bay 2, day 2. Rifle 10, pistol 10, shotgun 4+. Hands on hat, line. Say when. Guns play safety, shooter's choice, order of guns. The shooting order is a 2-3, 2-3 sweep in either direction. Rifle and pistol. Shotgun, engage 4 targets until down.
Stand by.
Crisco, I'll be your Huckleberry.
Stand by. Four, 8-2. Sorry about whacking.
It's okay.
There at the end.
It's all good.
Range clear. Clean shooter.
Stage 11. Bay 3, day 2. Rifle 10, pistol 10, shotgun 4+. Hands on hat, line. Say when. Guns play safety, shooter's choice order of guns. Shooter must shoot from at least 2 positions. Rifle, double tap, inside out, starting on R3. Pistol, double tap, inside out, starting on P3. Knock down all 4 shotgun targets.
We're ready.
Say when.
Stand by.
I'll be your Huckleberry.
Bye. Up. Hiding in the smoke. 100. Clean. 30. 93. Clean.
My brother from another mother.
Hey, make sure that coffee mug's got the logo. Is it the,
Thermos doesn't pay me.
well, the coffee company?
Oh yeah, buy me a coffee. That's a good idea. Remember, www.buymeacoffee.com/JediTV.
There we go. Gotta throw a shout out. That's what good parts are for.
That's right.
All right, posse up. Stage 12, day 3, day 2. Rifle 10, pistol 10, shotgun 4+. Hands on hat, line, say when. Guns play safely, shooter's choice order of guns. Shooter must shoot from at least 2 positions. Shooting order with the rifle. Continuous sweep on rifle targets. So the continual sweep. Boom, 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 and then back to here. Same thing with the pistol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to 5. Shotgun, knock down 4 targets.
Turn the camera.
Remember, hit like and subscribe to Jedi TV.
I was going to say, wait a minute, you ain't going to make that.
Spotters!
Go! Go! Stand up.
That's over.
Got 2 down. The last 2 down for 32-53. And no missy misses. Still up on the second one. Got 1 to go. Got it. 25-38, that's 2-5-3-8. Clean shooter.
Let's make some smoke.
Stand by.
Yep.
And you got it.
You got it.
2-5-1-3. That way and clean.
Jedi Knight.
Who won? Gordo.
Gordo, who won?
Thank you. Yeah, it was close.
How close?
Not really.
Trying to make you feel good.
7 seconds. 8 seconds.
Oh, that's an hour. Like an hour.
That's a lifetime, Jedi. A lifetime.
You know who hit the ground first?
Gunfighter Frontier is Lightfoot.
Well, there you have it. That match is in the book. If you're in the Mernickle Lake area, by all means be sure to check out the Windy Plains Drifters for some cowboy action shooting. Great club to shoot with. I'll be back. I'm heading on down the trail right now to hunt down my pard Lightfoot. Congratulations to him on his first place as Frontiersman Gunfighter. That was no easy win. That was it's tough. Shooting these cap and ball revolvers gunfighter style is pretty tough. So a big congratulations to him. I'm Jed. This is Jedi TV, and I'll see you in some other place in some other time.